Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping or looking at the Home Depot website. We're looking at the Memorial tool sales, power tool sales. If you want to help out the channel, don't forget to subscribe so we can get more tools. We can buy more tools, make more videos. Hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So we're here at the Home Depot website. It says Memorial Day. All you have to do is just click here. And these are all the sales that they have going on, different items. I was just going to click on the power tools. All right, we got select tools from your favorite brands. Milwaukee, Rigid, Ryobi, DeWalt, Makita, Husky. All right, let's go to Milwaukee here. So they got a free tool or battery with the purchase of any Milwaukee M18 tool. So basically, when you purchase any of the battery tools, you get a free battery or a free tool. Free tool battery with the purchase of any select Milwaukee M12 tool. So same thing goes for the smaller. So we're just going to check this out. All right, pretty much what they have here is 73 results. So 73 different combinations you can do. You got pretty much, you got your choice here how much you want to spend. So 150 to 200, 250 to 200, 250. So depends on what you want to spend. We're just going to be looking at a few here. Otherwise, this video is going to be super long. So let's hear this. Angle grinder is a fuel. Just make sure if you're buying Milwaukee, make sure it's a fuel or at least a brushless tool. You don't want to get any of the old ones for expensive. So this is just a fuel, M18 fuel, 18-volt lithium cordless brushes. Angle grinder with the free 5 amp hour battery for $179. Not a bad deal. This battery by itself, it's a lot of money there. This is the job site radio with the 5.0 amp hour, $199. This is the Milwaukee 1-key 8 brushless cordless 1/2 inch impact wrench. I do have this one. I just bought it. I will be making an unboxing video and a test video, and I will be putting this against the DeWalt. So, yeah, stay tuned for that video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. And hit the bell. So this one we got $299 with the 5 amp hour battery. I gotta say it's not a bad deal. Definitely, you know, let's say you pay about maybe 80 bucks on you get the drill for the tool for $220. So I guess that's a great deal there. Here's another one here. Fuel 18 lithium brushless cordless jigsaw with the battery, $199. Got a circular saw, $249. That's the fuel version. A bandsaw, $329, and so forth. We're just gonna. Oh, if you buy this combo kit, you get it for $429. However, most of these tools or all these tools are brushed. They are not brushless. Here's the same combo kit again. Oh, this is a three-quarter impact wrench. The other one was a 1/2 inch. So this is another combo kit here. Like I said, $6.99. Stay away from that. So this is the fuel, $6.99 with the 5 amp hour. Or actually, this one comes with the 8 amp hour battery. Wow. So that's a good deal there. Definitely a great deal. M18, yeah, these are all brushed. This is fuel, $179. You got another fuel, 18 volts. You got the router with a 5 amp hour. Anyways, you guys get the picture. So if you're buying a fuel tool, make sure it's a brushless or a fuel, so you can get the better value. Oh, here's the rocket light, or rocket stand, with the 8 amp hour battery for $399. All right, let's go back. Let's go to the other brand. Now we don't want to make this video too long. So if you guys want to look at all those items, go to the website and look at what you want to buy. We're just gonna go over here real quick. This is the M8 M12 fuel, $199. It's a great deal. You get a drill driver, impact driver, charger, a bag, and you get a ratchet there. So $199 is a great deal. Actually, this is the same thing as that, but with the battery instead of the tool there. Same thing, 199. You get the oscillating, and then this one you get the hacksaw and the extra battery for 179. Not a bad deal. A PVC shear, and you get the cordless probe expansion toolkit. This one you get the bandsaw. So there's definitely some different combinations you guys could look around. Most of them are 199 on this platform. So yeah, this one does come. Yeah, this one does have the press toolkit, 3 jaws included with free and 12 bandsaw. Yeah. All right, let's go next brand. We got rigid free octane tool with any select tool purchase. Here we got let's see here. All right, this is buy this kit, get one select tool for free. So it's the same thing. You buy the 2 batteries, charger in a bag, and you get to select any of these tools for $2.19 even, or plus tax and stuff. So sorry guys, my throat was a little iffy this morning. So this one you get the 1/2 inch impact driver. This one you get the 4.5 angle grinder. This is the Job Max tool. This is the router. And they're both 3 amp hour batteries. Just to let you know, octane for 6 mode impact driver. Most of these tools are fairly new. Octane brushless jigsaw. Octane brushless 7 1/4. And then you get the recip saw. This one's actually sold out already. And this one's sold out. So you got the rest of these tools to buy before they are sold out. All right, let's look at this by itself. See, oh yeah, this is a 4-pack, 1.5 amp hour compact lithium battery. So this is a 4-pack of batteries there. All right, next brand we got the Ryobi. It says 18-volt battery on powers over 125 tools. Ryobi doesn't have a lot of savings right now because they are waiting to do Ryobi days. So just keep that in mind. All you get is like the bestseller and some prices here. So $99. This used to be with the free tool last year. I guess they are doing with the free tool. So they are doing the 159 deal with the tool. Not necessarily the best deal there, but yeah, it's an okay deal. But like I said, it's not the best deal. So this might be worth it. Circular saw. As long as it's a brushless. They are not brushless, are they? It looks like a brushless. Yeah, it looks like a brushless circular saw. Yeah, it is a brushless circular saw. It just doesn't say on the. So if it's a brushless tool, it is definitely worth it. Definitely recommend that for you guys. Just gotta make sure you guys keep that in mind. Do your research before you buy. The better tools are usually brushless. So you got the Walt. It says buy any of these tools, bare tools, I guess, and get this free. So you get a charger and a 3 amp hour battery. So let's look at this. Let's look at what we have here. So you got the radio here for $109. Everything sold out. Wow. It's not even worth it to looking at it. Yep, everything sold out. So all the deals from DeWalt are sold out. Basically, like I said, just buy the battery. Buy the tool and get that battery and charger for free. We get down to Makita here. It's up to 30% Makita tools, free tool or batteries with the purchase. So let's look at this one. So you get a 15 amp, 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw with electric and pneumatic, 2-inch, 12-inch brad nailer. So you get a brad nailer with this one. On this one you get it's an LXT 4 amp hour battery pack, charger starter pack, $259. So most of these deals are going to be $259 with the two batteries, two 4 amp hour batteries, a charger, a bag, and a tool. Here's another one with the circular saw. Alright, this one's kind of mixed. They have several different ones. They got the kit that you could buy, or the tool you can buy and you get a free battery, different prices. Or you can get the two batteries, a charger, and a bag, and get the free tool, which I think is the better one. Alright, you got a Husky. Alright, seems like that's it for these sales. It says 2 storage savings, up to 30% Husky tools. Let's see here. Let's look at this. So you got a 52-inch for $598, $549, and then $349. So that's the top. Not really a lot of sales here. Let's look at the hand tools. You got a Master Mechanics 1025 piece. Yeah, it's a little too much. I'd rather just put my own kit together. Anyways, I don't want to make this video super long. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell to help out the channel so we can get more tools, make more tool videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.